Right, so I've been banging my head against the keyboard trying to figure out why the calculations aren't working and why the orbits aren't being full orbits when they should be. I know the maths is sound. It's simple stuff when you break it down. So if we turn on this, we can see this should make a perfect orbit with its initial velocity. We can tweak this, we can make it bigger, smaller, but this should make around about a perfect orbit. For sake, we'll set it to 450. And if I play this, you'll realise, and if I place my mouse directly here, once it gets back round, it will not be in that position, which means it will not be a perfect orbit. You can probably already tell that it's not a perfect orbit. And as you can see, it's not where my mouse is, which means it's not in a stable orbit. So I was incredibly close to just scrapping the entire project because, like, looking at the maths of this shit is just, it's fine. I don't know where the problem is. I've tried rewriting it. I've gone through what I already know. And I was just like, I don't have time to fix this. I don't have time to learn another equation right now. The stretch goals are that I'll implement different types of equation, but right now I don't have that time. I need the base functionality in. So I might have to scrap this project and go for something else. And then I just thought, maybe I've missed something. Maybe it's something on the actual planet itself. So I was looking through. I was like, that's 450, that's fine. The collider's not doing anything, that's fine. The line renderer's fine. I was like, okay, let's take a look at the rigid body. I was like, okay, that's dynamic. Keep in mind, I've never done this in 3D before. I've never worked in 2D before, to be fair. So I was like, okay, simulated, which means it's moving. Mass is fine. I was going down and I was looking for the freeze position was fine. Rotation being frozen is fine. I was like, wait, something seems wrong here. I'm generating my own gravity, but the gravity scale is at 1, which means I'm calculating my own gravity, but then Unity is applying its own gravity over the top of it. So I was like, out of curiosity, let's just set this to 0 and see what happens. So we'll place the mouse back at the position where the planet started and we'll just see if this works. And what do you know? It works. I have been trying to fix this for 2 days and I could not figure out why the planets weren't orbiting properly. I thought it might have been a scale issue and a gravitational constant issue, so I made them higher, I tweaked it, and I just could not fix it. I was so close to being done. But it works. It fucking works. Now to do everything else.